Hey, let's take a quick farm tour. All right. Here we're gonna go check out what we've got going on for our mixed fall and winter vegetables. Let's just go down the end of the row and see what we got going on. So these were some of those dragon tongue beans this summer that were so good. They're all done now. We've got a lot of, we've got some peas coming on right here. We've got daikon radish, watermelon radish, some beets and stuff over there. Let's make this a quick one. So just come with me. This is where all the basil was from this summer. These plants are like 7, 8 months old. They survived a frost last night, so I think we might get one more cutting off of them, but they keep growing up and we keep cutting them again. This was all our squash production this summer, and now this is going to be all spinach for the winter. We just seeded spinach yesterday. It's getting watered right now. Sweet potato, collards. We use this insect netting so that we don't have to spray things in order to keep pests off everything. We've got some fall bok choy looking really nice. Some nice herbs, and we're gonna have a little baby kale over here. And then let's just jump over here. We've got all of these carrots. And we'll just end the tour in the carrot field. We've got a few different varieties, some that have done well for us in the past, and a couple new ones to try. I guess we'll just see what they look like right now. So that's their size right now. There's going to be some in the share this week. The tops just look too good to pass up, so we're going to give those out. And they will keep getting bigger and sweeter as the winter goes on, and we'll have great carrots all winter.